Good, sir. I present the cyber set. Step 1, click the Windows and type the cyber set. Click the cyber set and please wait. And close. Click the first scenario, stop worms. Click OK. Go to objectives. Your job, Joey, is the new employee. You must instruct him to not spread worms or viruses. There is one specific procedural security choice that can greatly affect whether Joey will spread worms and viruses. That click on Joey's computer and make the one procedural security choice that will most reduce Joey's likelihood and spreading worms. Go to the office. Click the computer Joey and click the beware of email attachment and go to the office. Play. Good job of telling Joey beware of email attachments. He becomes less likely to blindly open malicious attachments of particular concern. The concerns are executable email attachment. Click OK. You completed the first phase of keep worms of the network. Now break the quiz. Okay, click OK. Click OK again. Joey gets attachment name of memo.doc from the CO worker. Should he open it? Click yes. You of course, how else should be Joey learn of the mandatory staff meeting? Malicious software can spread via doc attachments. However, it's open risk. You need to take the risk can be reduced using up-to-date antivirus software. Click OK. Click OK again. Joey gets attachment name paniclip.txt from the friend who say he open rename it paniclip.com and open it in her recluse video clip. Should be hit open it. Click no. Good job stopping this attack. The file was from the bundle posting of Joey friend. It was sent that text to get around the firewall. Click OK. This finishes the congratulations, success completed the scenario. Click OK. Wait and go to the next scenarios. Identity theft. Click OK. And go to the objectives. Then you can see connect the DSL company has come out the installed here DSL given each of router here computer first needs to be connected to the router so that can go the online. This can be done in the network screen. Secure the Sydney needs some basic and security for her computers. Determine what the procedural setting that needs to implement it. The component screen. Be careful not implement too much of the little security thing about the absolute scenario at this stage. Protect identity information, antivirus, email attachment. Click the network. Click the office. Click the computer Cindy. Procedural settings. Click the beware of attachments and go to the office. Good job, be aware of email attachment. However, there needs to little more of security to take place or protect Sydney information. Click OK. Go to component and go to procedural settings. Click the regular antivirus updates and go to the office again and go to network. Click the computer and click this and go to the office again. Good job securing the computer and completing the phase 1. Phase 2 will quiz you on response to the online danger social engineering. Click OK. Play. Sydney is ready to produce the checkout and by her earn the URL in the browser. Address that bar start with HTTP and there is not a lock icon on the status bar of the browser. Click no. Correct should be to always check to see there is lock icon in browser status bar and the website and address begin with HTTPS is our indication. Click OK. Click again. Sydney has received the email from the her bank. Ask her to click on link and update identity information. Should they click no? Good thing as always could be the actions when in receiving email from the bank requesting that you proceed personal information. Click OK. Okay. Congratulations, success train Sydney and become undetected. Click OK.